how to create a high converting lead magnet with Mailchimp. Hey guys, in this video, I am going to show you how you can create a high converting lead magnet with Mailchimp. So make sure to watch this video till the end and let's get started. So the first thing that you want to do is open up the Mailchimp website on your laptop or PC. After that, sign into your account and you will be redirected to this page. So in order to create a lead magnet, first you have to create a landing page. To create a landing page, you have to click on create. Then click on build landing page. Over here, you can select any suitable landing page template which is relevant to your niche. Over here, you can edit your landing page according to your needs. You can change different text. You can add different images or logo. You can also add different types of customized button as well. So when you are done with designing of your landing page, you can also preview your design by clicking here. You can see its preview in desktop and mobile version both. After creating it, you have to move back to main page of the website. Here you have to click on automations and then click on customer journey. After that, click on create journey. Then give your journey a name and choose its starting point. In our case, it is tag edit. After that, give your tag a name and click on save starting point. Then click on this plus sign and then click on send email. After that, just select any template for your email which is relevant to your niche. Like your landing page, you can also edit your email page according to your needs. You can change different text. You can add different images or logos. You can also add different types of customized button as well. So when you are done with designing your email, you can also preview your design by clicking here. After creating it, you have to click on save and return to journey and your lead magnet will be created. Now, in order to publish it, you have to click on campaign, then click on all campaigns. So here is your lead magnet. Then just click on it and then click on publish. So that's how you can create a high converting lead magnet with Mailchimp. That's all for this video.